Ever wondered who should be taking whey protein and how to choose the right one? Welcome to the protein predicament, a conundrum that has left many scratching their heads in the health and wellness aisles. Whey protein, a byproduct of cheese production, has surged in popularity over recent years. It's become a staple in the diets of many, from professional athletes to everyday fitness enthusiasts. But here's a common misconception, that whey protein is exclusively for the heavy-lifting bodybuilders or the marathon-running athletes. This notion couldn't be further from the truth. Whey protein is a versatile supplement, and its benefits extend far beyond muscle building and recovery. It's a powerhouse of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of our bodies. It doesn't matter if you're lifting weights, running laps, or simply living a busy, active lifestyle. So, let's dive into the world of whey protein and find out who can really benefit from it. First things first, who should be taking whey protein? It's a question that circles around the fitness community, but the answer may surprise you. It's not just the bodybuilders and sports enthusiasts who can reap the benefits of whey protein. In fact, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can provide advantages for a whole spectrum of individuals. Let's start with fitness enthusiasts, the most obvious group. Whey protein is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. It's a fast-absorbing source of protein, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition proved that whey protein supplementation improved muscle protein synthesis and promoted the growth of lean tissue mass. But the benefits don't stop at the gym door. For those recovering from surgery or illness, whey protein can be a vital aid. It supports the body's healing process by helping to repair tissues and promote the growth of new tissue. A research article in the Journal of Wound Care highlights whey's role in enhancing immune function, supporting the body's natural defenses during the recovery period. For vegetarians and vegans, meeting daily protein requirements can be challenging. Whey protein can help bridge this gap, providing a high-quality, animal-free protein source. And for the elderly, it can help combat age-related muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. A study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging found that supplementing with whey protein helped improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. And let's not forget those with a busy lifestyle who may struggle to meet their daily protein needs. A quick whey protein shake can be a convenient and effective way to ensure you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Thus, whey protein isn't just for the gym goers, it's beneficial for a much wider audience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, recovering patient, vegetarian, senior citizen, or just a busy bee, whey protein can provide valuable nutritional benefits to support your health and wellness journey. Now that we know who can benefit from whey protein, how do we choose the right one? Embarking on this journey, you'll encounter a myriad of options, and it's crucial to make an informed decision. The factors to consider when choosing a protein powder include nutritional content, taste, mixability, and cost. Firstly, let's delve into nutritional content. Each protein powder has a unique blend of macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. For instance, some may contain additional fiber, which aids digestion, or extra amino acids to support muscle recovery. Others may have lower carbohydrates and fats, making them ideal for those on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. So always inspect the nutritional panel to ensure it aligns with your dietary needs and fitness goals. Next, taste is a subjective but significant factor. There's no point in buying a tub of protein powder if you can't stand the taste, right? It's worth trying a few different flavors and brands to find one you genuinely enjoy. Remember, your protein shake should feel like a treat, not a chore. Now on to mixability. A good protein powder should blend easily with your liquid of choice, be it water, milk, or a dairy-free alternative. No one enjoys a lumpy protein shake after all, so look for reviews or ask for recommendations on which brands mix well. Cost is another consideration. While it's tempting to opt for the cheapest option, remember that you often get what you pay for. Higher-priced protein powders often offer superior quality, taste, and mixability. Now let's demystify some common terms you'll encounter. Isolate refers to protein that has undergone additional processing to remove most fats and carbs, resulting in a higher protein content. Concentrate, on the other hand, has less protein but more fats and carbs. Lastly, hydrolysate is protein that's been broken down into smaller particles for faster absorption. With these considerations in mind, you can make an informed decision about which whey protein to choose. And remember, the right protein powder for you is the one that fits your lifestyle, taste preferences, and budget. Among the myriad options out there, one stands out: the Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder by Dymatize. This product has carved a niche for itself in the competitive world of protein supplements, and for good reason. Let's start with its nutritional profile. Each serving of Elite Whey is packed with 25 grams of high-quality pure whey protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Moreover, it also contains over 5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. These are the building blocks of proteins and play a pivotal role in muscle recovery and growth. Now let's talk taste. Nothing can beat the satisfaction of a delicious creamy shake after a grueling workout, and Elite Whey delivers just that. Available in a variety of flavors, from the classic vanilla to the indulgent chocolate fudge, there's something to cater to every palate. And the best part? It's low in sugar, so you get all the flavor without the guilt. Next, we have cost effectiveness. With Elite Whey, you're not just paying for a brand name. You're investing in a product that offers high-quality protein at a reasonable price. It's a smart choice for those seeking to get the most bang for their buck. But don't just take our word for it. Numerous fitness enthusiasts and experts have vouched for the effectiveness of Elite Whey. Renowned athletes recommend this product and say, Elite Whey is a standout product in the market. Its impressive nutritional profile, coupled with its affordability, makes it a top choice for anyone looking to supplement their diet with protein. In addition, countless customer reviews echo this sentiment, praising Elite Whey for its taste, mixability, and overall quality. It's clear that this product has not only met but exceeded expectations. Clearly, the Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder by Dymatize is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to supplement with whey protein. It's a product that delivers on all fronts: nutrition, taste, and value for money, making it the elite choice in the world of protein supplements. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to who should take whey protein and how to choose the right one. We've delved into the world of protein, breaking down the intricacies of this essential nutrient. From understanding the protein predicament to discovering who precisely needs whey, we've journeyed through the science and the facts, ensuring that you're equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Remember, we've discussed that not everyone needs additional protein, but for those who do, whey is a fantastic source. We've also explored the factors to consider when picking the perfect protein powder, emphasizing the importance of understanding your body's needs and goals. The Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder by Dymatize came out as a standout choice, given its high-quality ingredients, excellent nutritional profile, and positive customer reviews. But don't just take our word for it. Do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and make a decision that best suits your needs. Knowledge is power, and we hope this video has empowered you to make an informed choice about your protein intake. This is just the tip of the nutritional iceberg, and there's much more to explore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder by Dymatize. Stay healthy, stay informed.